Oga car dealer, you get nice cars, oh. I don't see all of them. But you know wetin? There be normal, regular cars. You know understand? The kind money where I make recently, not be normal, regular money.
It is smoke Igbo.
The kind money where I get now, I'm not sure say anybody get that kind money for the full Benin City. So the kind motor where I suppose they drive, nobody suppose get out to. I not like they drive one kind motor, another one can't drive past me for road. It's an embarrassment.
This man!
Oga, no waste your saliva. The kind car where you want, I know am. You get one car where they expect. It is coming in from Luxembourg. Yes, the car name na Atutu Poyoyo. Yes, very good car.
Are you playing?
I can assure you, say, by this time next week, that car go don land. It dey high sea since. So get your money ready. Come next week, come carry your motor.
My machine don't land, one in town.
It's what?
You dey use your function to play.
Unibank girls, where una dey? I dey come for una.
This man! God have mercy upon us.
Yahoo boys, where una dey? Una get this kind car?
You be mumu.
You are dey rubbish.
Unibank boys.
Hide your girlfriend, so my one in town car don't land.
5 years of madness.
Oga, shine your eyes, oh. No use your carton scratch my baby.
Jesus!
Jesus.
Hey! Jesus.
Why this motor dey jack like this now? At this rate, it be like say I go carry and go give that mechanic with the junction. Oh.
How many times would they tell you before you...
Oga mechanic, please help me repair this my car. They jack.
Run, oh.
Oga Victor, I never see this type of car before.
Not be juju be that.
Oga Victor, I dey suspect say na this brain box they cause the jacking.
70 years old man.
Oga mechanic, I don't send you money. Buy, repair, or fix am. I go come back. Boys, let us start trial by error. Oya, make una drain out all the engine oil.
You dey use your function to play.
Boys, the engine fire is low. Oya, make we pour beer inside the engine, make the fire for high.
Jesus!
Jesus.
Hey!
Yeah, it took us 3 weeks to fix your car, but everything is okay now. Go and enjoy it.
Why my car dey bark like dog?
No.
Oga mechanic, me no understand though. You go install dog inside my engine. Why my engine dey bark like dog? Native dog for that matter.
This man!
Oga Victor, abeg no vex. This thing wey I hold for hand so, e spoil for your engine. I check market, e no dey Uwelu, e no dey Ibaeke, e no even dey in the whole of Nigeria. So I can't go meet one Calabar boy in a welder. Now he can help me fabricate the one wey I put for your engine. You know Calabar and dog now. Now make a dog the sound for your engine.
Jesus is Lord.
You go explain.
Oga Victor, e be like say you go return this your motor. I don't know any mechanic wey understand this motor. Even me na rubbish work I dey do for you. The part no even dey. No be make we fabricate wey con dey sound like a dog.
You are dey rubbish.
My country people, I hope say you learn something from this video. All the people wey dey like to dey drive one in town car. That car go give you one in town problem.
Not be juju be that.
And that problem wey you go get, you no go see mechanic wey go understand how to repair am. Even if the mechanic manage to get idea, where him go see parts? Motor wey nobody dey buy, na only you dey drive am. E go hard. E go hard. Be wise. Buy motor wey other people dey use. So that if your motor get problem, you go see mechanic wey go understand am well well. And when you need to change parts go dey easily accessible in the market. No go dey drive motor wey go dey bark like dog o. I don talk my own. Share this video, make everybody see am. Ngwanu, bye bye.